You know, they say the third time's a charm on doing anything. So hopefully this is the third and final time I have to make this video. I had a teacher ask me, how do I use a camera to have students record a daily vlog? Is that possible? And with Chromebooks now it is. Yes, it is. And we're going to use a couple of apps to show you how that's done and then how to access those files. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down into the app launcher at the bottom. Now I've got video recorder right here. However, if you don't see it readily available in your quick launch, I'm going to click on this drawer, and here I see the camera app. I'm going to quickly go into the camera app. For those of you who are wondering, I'm using the Screencastify to record my video screen. Now, if I go in here, I'm in the camera app immediately. If I take a picture, it takes a picture. Now, if I go over to the video mode, I can record video. Now I can record video, hit this red dot, and it starts recording, blah, 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 blue, blue, blue. Welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to vlog about all sorts of vlogging things. So when I'm done with my vlog, I'm going to click on stop. And where does that video get saved? So I'm going to close this camera app. Actually get out of here. Hey, look at that. It's the Files app. How do you get into the Files app? If you don't see the Files app readily, once again, we're going to go back into our launcher, app launcher, and open this drawer up. You're going to look for the Files app. I've got mine in a little folder. But here's the Files app. Initially, the file that you just recorded, your students just recorded to, is going to go into the Downloads folder, which is actually on the hard drive of this machine, of this device. And you can see I've done this several times already. There's a video, a JPEG, a video, a JPEG, a video, and hopefully that's the last video. But anyway, so with that, we've got the MKV, that's the movie file, and the teacher would be able to watch that in Google Drive. All I'm going to do is I'm going to open up on the left-hand side. Here's my drive. Find a folder that you want. How about Google Classroom? There we go. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to drag it over to this folder. And just like any other file that you've got, you can right mouse click on it. Students would be able to share with others. I believe they can, once it's in their drive, they should be able to upload it or submit it through Google Classroom. With that said, I'm going to keep this brief. If you have any further questions, make sure you reach out to me. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you would also hit the notification bell after you subscribe if you haven't done so already. That way you're notified when new content is uploaded to my channel. So thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of the day.